Good morning, guys. All right. So, the next two or three videos, you may see no changes in my appearance whatsoever because now I have to get caught up. One of the most important things about running a successful business is your health, your mind, your physical body. So, you can't work 7 days a week. We're not machines, okay? But the whole point of us working is that we can provide our families with a better lifestyle. So, and that's where day four takes us. So, day four is doesn't mean you have to stop working, but you're working towards another goal, whether it's spending time with the family, future investments, and stuff like that. So, for day four, and we're going to get into this later about the 411 tracking, and we're going to get into the schedules, but I had it scheduled this weekend that we were looking at investment properties, but we were also doing quality family time. So, when you do your yearly schedule, 365 days, a successful coach and a successful business person will always take their time off first. That's right, your time, your vacations, your personal days, family outings, all that stuff. Your days go first. You get paid first, okay? Then everything else goes in there. So this weekend I had blocked off for myself, and I also have next weekend blocked off for myself. With an individual agent, yes, you're going to be hurting a little bit because here's the deal. When you close up shop, business is done. But you have to come to that realization that I'm taking these days off. This is important for me. Now, when you grow, you're going to be able to, make business arrangements, whether you have a showing agent, whether you're starting a team, whether you are friends with another agent in the office and you're going to do the same thing for them when they go on vacation. Either way, you have to have a plan to keep the business going, whether it's, minor stuff, automated stuff, advertising going out, but somebody should be there always to answer the phone for you, but you should not be that person because if you're on the beach, you're on the boardwalk and you pick up that phone, you're actually putting two worlds together and it's not. You need quality family time. I'd rather you just take the day off. All right. So with that being said, after my family time was done, when they were on the beach, I went out and looked at some investment properties. Okay. This is important because when you're growing your business, eventually one day you're either going to have to sell it, retire, somebody's going to take over. But at the same time, you need to live off of retirement. You need to have passive income. And one of the easiest things to grow passive income is rental properties, whether they're duplexes, whether they're shore properties, condos, whatever. Okay. You need to look into what you are good at and then focus on that. But you're going to need, if you retire, you're going to need a good, comfortable 8 to 10 sources of passive income to, have your money work for yourself. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, day four was self-reflection, focusing on your family time, recharging, but at the same time, on your personal level, you should have personal goals. And those goals should be anything from losing weight, better lifestyle, passive income, whatever, but it shouldn't be business focused. All right, talk to you later and probably in the next couple minutes.